Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix could not load image tap to retry in Instagram. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, you have checked your Instagram up to date or not. Go to the Play Store, search your Instagram. If your Instagram not up to date, then press on update. After finishing this, go back, open your settings, go to the apps, then search your Instagram, press on force stop, open your storage, press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this sentence: this app's data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other app data. Then press on OK. Then press on data usage. Here you should enable all options: mobile data, Wi-Fi, background data, roaming data. You should enable all this option. Then go back. Then try your problem fix or not. If not, uninstall and reinstall your Instagram, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix could not load image tap to retry problem in Instagram. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.